Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to make a super healthy and easy carrot ginger soup recipe. It's a budget-friendly favorite of ours for meal prep and is also great for when you need to serve a lot of people at once. We love how few ingredients it has and how it only takes about 5 minutes of prep work total. For soup that comes together in about an hour, it doesn't get easier than this. Alright, so here are the ingredients you'll need to make 6 to 8 servings of the soup. First, you're going to need 2 pounds of carrots. We choose to use baby carrots because it saves us a lot of time and effort and they're already prepackaged and ready to go. However, if you choose to use whole carrots, just be prepared to scrub them or peel them and chop them up smaller. You'll also need 1 white or yellow onion, 4 cloves of garlic, a thumb of ginger, which is about 35 grams or a fourth of a cup packed when they're minced, and a lemon to get at least 2 tablespoons of lemon juice from. Fresh squeezed always tastes best. Pro tip, if you use fresh ginger for any recipe, there's no good reason to peel the soft skin off because it's imperceptible in the final dish. We usually just give it a good scrub because it's less wasteful and the skin has extra nutrients. 8 cups of veggie broth, and usually because they come in 4-cup containers, you might need to have 2. For seasoning, salt and pepper, and as a garnish, some curry powder. The best part of this recipe is that the prep time only takes about 5 minutes. Mince the garlic. I usually smash them up to peel off the skin and then cut them up super fine. You can use the back of the knife to transfer them into a bowl. Cut both ends of the onion off to prevent rolling. Dice the onions by slicing them in half. Peel off the skin and the tough first outer layer. Cut the ginger into slices. Then work in small stacks to cut them into matchsticks. This makes them easy to rotate and mince. Roll the lemon with your palm on the board and cut the lemon in half. We choose to squeeze it over a strainer just to help prevent the seeds from falling in. Great! Now that we're done with prep, we can move on to the stove. First, heat up some oil in a pot. Usually we use some grapeseed or avocado oil. Sauté the garlic, ginger, and onions on medium heat until the onions are soft and translucent. This should take at least 5 to 10 minutes. Keep stirring to prevent any burning. Add more oil or lower the heat if you have to. Having burnt bits could permeate and ruin your soup. Then add in the carrots and veggie broth. We use the back of the spoon to prevent any splashing. Bring the mixture to a boil and leave it on low to simmer for 45 minutes to an hour or until the carrots are soft. Use an immersion blender until the soup is smooth. Now we're going to add the final touches. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Then add at least 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to brighten and balance the dish. Finally, mix in some curry powder and garnish with anything else you'd like. Parsley and chives would probably work well here. Voila! A delicious and healthy carrot ginger soup. This soup is great year-round and can be served hot or cold. It's a great side soup to a meal or salad, but also great to have on hand as a quick snack. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy plant-based recipes.